The parameter keyword for defining value constants. The general syntax to define a parameter is parameter constant. A parameter constant may or may not have a type and range specifications in it, like logic 7 down to 0. Most of the time, you will not specify them and use a straightforward parameter declaration like parameter width equals 16. Here are the examples of defining different types of parameters, which is given in Verilog IEEE specification. These are shown here for information, and usually, only simple parameter definitions like this would be sufficient in design coding. The parameter keyword for defining type constants. You have seen the usage of parameter keyword to define a value parameter. The same can be used to define a data type parameter as well. Here the parameter constant will a data type, allowing modules, interfaces, or programs to have ports and data objects whose type is set for each instance. To specify the parameter for defining data type constants, you need to add the keyword type along with the parameter keyword as shown here. You will see an example of these in the next session, parameterized modules.